Hello everyone. This is AppGeeker channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to transfer photos and videos from a Windows 11 computer to your iPhone. You may find it difficult to do that due to the completely different ecosystems between Windows and Apple. Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use iCloud, iTunes, and a third-party tool to do that. I'm also going to talk about the key differences among these three methods. If you're new here, make sure you click the subscribe button. Then when I create more videos like this, you'll be notified first. So, let's jump into it. First, let's talk about transferring photos from a Windows 11 computer to iPhone by using iCloud Photos. It really is the easiest way to do it. With iCloud Photos, photos can get transferred from computer to your iPhone. Only photos can be transferred via iCloud Photos while videos can't. Because only the files in JPEG format can be uploaded to iCloud. No worries, there are other ways to transfer videos from your Windows 11 PC to iPhone. I will introduce them later. Using iCloud Photos to transfer photos from Windows 11 to iPhone, cables, computers, not necessary. Good internet, necessary. Let's open Settings app. Tap on your Apple ID at the very top of the screen. Tap on iCloud. And then tap on Photos. Make sure that iCloud Photos switch is on. Your photos will automatically transfer back and forth as long as you set up both devices to sync with the same Apple ID. OK, put down your iPhone and move to your computer. Now, you are going to add photos from your computer to iCloud. Open a browser and visit https://www.icloud.com. Type in the same Apple ID as your iPhone. I will blur my Apple ID here. Once signed in, you'll need to click on the Photos button. Here, you can see all the photos from your iPhone. Find the button that looks like a cloud with an upward arrow. Here pops up the local folder on your computer. You can select the photos from here to upload them to your iCloud account. The progress bar will appear at the bottom of the screen. The length of time it takes to upload depends on how many photos you select. Wait patiently for a while. At the same time, you can open the Photos app on your iPhone to check if the transfer is successful. So, there I can see the photos just appear on my iPhone very quickly. Now we've transferred some photos from your Windows 11 computer to your iPhone. Now that I want to do next is show you how to transfer videos from Windows 11 PC to your iPhone via iCloud Drive. The first thing we need to do is enable iCloud Drive on your iPhone. Let's open Settings app and tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Tap on iCloud. Find iCloud Drive here. Make sure iCloud Drive switch is on. Now, move to your computer. Same as the previous method, visit https://www.icloud.com in the browser. Sign in with the same Apple ID. When you enter the interface of your iCloud, click iCloud Drive here. Similarly, click on the Upload button that looks like a cloud. Here pops up a window. Select the video that you want to transfer. A quicker way is to drag and drop the videos into this window. OK, so the videos are uploading now. Done, the uploading process is completed. I'm going to view them on my iPhone. Open Files app and tap on iCloud Drive from the options. The videos I transferred just now are here. We have to admit that iCloud offers an easy way to transfer photos and video from a Windows 11 computer to iPhone. It doesn't require any cable or any type of computer. All you need to do is setting up the same iCloud account on both the devices. One thing to note is that iCloud only offers 5 GB of free storage. That's not enough for most people. Fortunately, Apple makes it very easy to buy additional iCloud storage. If you want to upgrade your storage, Tap Apple ID in the Settings app. Tap iCloud. Then tap on Manage Storage, change storage plan. Here you can buy 50, 200, or 2 terabytes. If you do have a lot of photos and videos to transfer and you don't want to pay for more iCloud storage, you can always use a third-party tool named iPhone Data Transfer to transfer photos and videos from your Windows 11 computer to your iPhone. Not only the photos and the videos, iPhone Data Transfer can also help you transfer other media files from Windows 11 to your iPhone. Unlike iCloud, iPhone Data Transfer won't limit the number of the photos and the videos that you're going to transfer, which means that you can transfer as many photos and videos as you want. Now, let's see how this useful tool works. By the way, using this tool, you may need download iTunes on your Windows 11 computer to authorize this tool. As you can see, I have already had the iTunes software on my Windows 11 computer. What I'm going to next is to download iPhone Data Transfer on my Windows 11 PC. I have put the download link in the description part below this video. You can visit the link in your browser to download it. After the installation, double-click on it to launch it. Alright. Get your lightning cable. There we go. Plug your iPhone to your Windows 11 computer. Tap on Trust on your iPhone to ensure the full connection. Once connected, iPhone Data Transfer will show you the details about your device. I will tell you how to transfer photos first. Click on the Photos tab from the left sidebar. iPhone Data Transfer will show you all the photos and the videos from the Photos app on your iPhone. To add photos from your Windows 11 computer to your iPhone, you need to click on the plus button at the top of the window. There are 2 options for you: Add Files, Add Folder. You can click the one you like. Here pops up the local folder on your Windows 11 computer. From here, choose the photos to be transferred. Then click on the Open button. OK, the photos you selected are all transferred from your Windows 11 computer to your iPhone. Now I want to show you how to use iPhone Data Transfer to transfer videos from Windows 11 computer to your iPhone. Once you have connected your iPhone to the Windows 11 computer, click on the Videos button. Then iPhone Data Transfer will show you the videos from the Videos app on your iPhone. At the top, click on the plus button to choose the videos that you want from the local drive. OK, the process is complete. Let's check if it is successful. Open Videos app on your iPhone. You can see all the videos I moved are here. I want to introduce you the last method to transfer photos and videos from your Windows 11 computer to your iPhone. I will use Apple's official tool. It is iTunes. But I don't recommend you use this method. Because you may get your data lost in iTunes. The process of moving photos and videos from your Windows 11 computer to your iPhone will overwrite the existing photos and videos on your iPhone. If you don't mind the loss of your photos and videos, please continue to watch. One more thing I need to mention is that iCloud photos need to be turned off. Open Settings app on your iPhone. Tap the Apple ID at the top. Then tap on iCloud Photos. Here, disable iCloud Photos to ensure that you can use iTunes to get the task done. Go ahead to launch iTunes on your computer and connect your iPhone to the computer via a USB cord. In the top left corner of iTunes, you can see an icon looks like a phone. Click on it. Here you can see some information about your iPhone. And there are some tabs on the left. To transfer photos, you click on the Photos button. For videos transfer, what you need to do first is to add the videos from your Windows 11 PC to the iTunes library. Click the File button here. From the drop-down menu, choose Add File to Library or Add Folder to Library. A local folder window will pop up. Choose the file or the folder you need. Alright, I have put the video I need in the iTunes library. It's time to transfer the videos from library to iPhone. Click on the Films button. iTunes will show you all the videos from your library. You can choose the one or the ones that you want to transfer. When you click the Photos button, iTunes won't show you the photos from your computer. But you can select the photos you want by clicking on the button beside Copy Photos From. Then all you need to do is to tick the little box next to Sync Photos or Sync Films. Okay, now click on the Apply button to let the process start. There may be a pop-up window asking you if you want to remove the existing videos and photos from this iPhone and sync with this iTunes library. Just click Remove and Sync to proceed. When you're done, you can open the Videos app on your iPhone to view the newly added items. That's how to transfer photos and videos from a Windows 11 computer to iPhone. If you have any other questions, maybe you could leave us them in the comments section below. This is for everything you need to know about transferring photos and videos from your Windows 11 computer to your iPhone. I think I covered all the bases and all the fields. And if you like that, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.